Welcome to another episode where we uncover the secrets of nature's green wonders. Today we're putting the spotlight on variegated ivy. But did you know that this plant is more than just an ornamental climber? Before we dive into the details, here's a fascinating fact about variegated ivy. It has a rich cultural history symbolizing fidelity and friendship in ancient times, and it was even worn by Roman women as a sign of marital devotion. Variegated ivy, a striking cultivar of the common ivy, originates from Europe, Western Asia, and Northern Africa. It has been cherished for centuries for its lush foliage, which varies in shades of green and white. This climbing plant is known for its distinctive variegated leaves, which can add a touch of elegance to any garden or indoor space. The leaves come in various shapes, from classic ivy shape to more intricate designs. The variegation and mix of white and green adds a vibrant contrast that's visually appealing. Variegated ivy is renowned for its adaptability. It thrives in both full shade and partial sunlight, making it an excellent choice for various environments. As a low-maintenance plant, it's well suited for beginners. Ensure well-drained soil, moderate watering to keep it happy. In gardens, variegated ivy is often used to create vertical interests on walls, trellises, or arbors. Its sprawling nature can provide shelter for birds and insects, contributing to a balanced ecosystem. Plus, its dense growth can act as a natural insulator for buildings. While variegated ivy is primarily appreciated for its aesthetic qualities, it offers more than just beauty. Some studies suggest that indoor ivy plants can help improve air quality by removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. However, be cautious, as it can be toxic if ingested, so keep it out of reach of pets and children. Variegated ivy, with its rich history, versatile growth, and potential air purifying properties, is a remarkable addition to any indoor or outdoor space. Stay tuned for more plant profiles and gardening insights on our channel.